shape, you just add it plain. Driving fucking for you at the bag each claim. Pay the rent with some black money, I got killers for my roommates. Congratulations, cause I just people post you do that.
What's up, Nia gang? It's your girl Nia, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, today is Saturday, May 18th. Today is Donald's Freaknik barbecue. It's 2:44. I've been here since 12 o'clock getting my hair done. So yeah, I'm about to go home, throw this macaroni and cheese in the oven, and then start getting ready. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. This is what I'm wearing, the gang. I got on these sandals that I used to sell. Jean romper from Shein. My glasses is from Shein. My Apple Watch, my jewelry is from Shein. Yeah. So I'm gonna put these glasses on, and this is how I'm gonna do it. So my cycle came on today, so I unbloated, and I don't like that, but it is what it is. So waiting on my sister to finish getting dressed, and then yeah, we going to the Freaknik. So yeah, I was having cramps, but I took Tylenol, so hopefully I start feeling better soon. So yeah, I'll see y'all at the Freaknik. Bye.
Beg you pull up and play it back again. All of pull up and beg you pull up and beg you pull up and all of pull up and beg you pull up and beg you pull up and play it back again. All of pull up and beg you pull up and beg you pull up and all of pull up and beg you pull up and beg you pull up and play it back again.
Katori Brielle. Oh, somebody baby over there is screaming. Oh my God. You say hi, my mom? Say hi. I don't know where that at. But what's up, knee gang? I'm back. Today is Sunday, May 19th. I'm at baby's game. As you can see, I'm the bag lady. I got all the bags right now. Where while he went to use the bathroom or something, and my hair is probably all over my head because you know how that leave out go. But yeah, me and Katori is here. I know in the clips before. I'm coming. Go ahead if you want to.
I need my bag.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, go look.
Somebody's calling me again. Who is this? No, it's Brienne. Alright, I'll hit y'all back.
No, I just but we normally just call it cat.
Listen, I was just telling her, like, I feel so blessed to be a girl. Listen, I was like, even there this morning doing the decoration and stuff, I was like, I'm really at the 8th grade, like, formal, like, setting up. And it looks so nice in there for the kids. Like, I was like, I said, pretty job.
Yeah, she do, Gil.
Very mature, elegant.
Dog.
They can't get it in.
They don't run in the street, do they?
Pope and, let me get some.
Oh, No, cat ain't scared of them. Yeah. Yes.
Mommy, and then me, mommy, and
Yeah.
BB, so I can do one of me and BB's.
Come on. Get in the back.
Give her.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here.
All right, I'm ready. With the pocketbook, I can't. Okay. Oh, y'all go ahead. Okay.
Do a.
Hold this. That's
Okay.
recording. So.
Oh, it's recording?
Yeah, that's recording. So
Okay.
do that hard.
All right. And you know I can't see without my glasses. God knows I can't.
Come on. Y'all missing somebody. You're missing somebody. Where's Palace?
Then I think in
Build the house.
me and picture, I think you on the right side and then add Queen like coming in. So put me in BB. I think it was you on the right and I'm on the left, and then Queen you adding in, and then as all of the girls come,
Okay.
you just add
Okay.
each here.
Okay. Maybe a little bit closer.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God. I'm supposed to be recording this.
Mom, just hold it. It's just recording.
I am holding it.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
And then mommy, I'll go with you.
Okay.
I got your phone still.
I'm gonna get. I can get Queen left, but no, go ahead. What you doing? What are you doing?
Cat in the house.
I said maybe it's the break.
Okay.
Oh, you with the croc? Man, you better.
That's why I was like, go get my.
Come on, dog.
You want me to go put on my shoes? Alright. Look, alright, come on, just me and her by ourselves. Get out of here.
Your mama.
Get out of here.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, here.
Yes. 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 Oh my God.
Ew, he licked the forehead. I'm cracking. I got that on camera.
Mom, can you take a couple of us and the kids?
Okay, yeah.
Where's
I go get her.
I'm sorry, mate.
Oh, Lord, dog.
That's
Say
literally
it's
her
okay.
name is Dog.
Dog.
I can't.
Oh, she remind me of
Come
Tally.
on, dog.
Okay, your mommy went to
I guess every dog reminds me of Tally.
I meant
I know, me too.
Come on, like.
Y'all know I can't see.
Come on.
Can you let me hold that and you snap
Okay.
the picture?
Yeah, I was about to say.
There you go. And I will. You still recording here,
Yeah,
right?
just hold it.
Okay.
Sit down, Joe. Sit down.
Brother Knight. Hey.
Look at
Papa.
Katori.
Sit down.
He's like,
Katori. Looking over there. Look.
Get over here.
oh, she in the picture. Okay, everybody, okay.
Yeah, that's a nice picture.
Royal. Oh, dogs, leave him.
Knight is getting the business down there, man.
Okay, y'all ready? Look. 1, 2, Queen. Who am I missing?
Both of the pink night up, yeah.
I can't.
Okay. There we go.
Here,
I took
let me
a couple.
grab
Look at Katori looking like Stefan. Looking like Stefan. Her eyes. He's everywhere. Damn it, man.
Y'all got some. Alright. You want some with you on Queen?
Look at her.
Real quick.
Did the dog lick her?
And this is Asia.
She was looking like what the.
Hey, A.
Oh.
Mom, just no, it's okay. Hold on.
Okay, that's what I'm doing. I don't, cause I can't see the snap pictures. Are you snapping them?
I have no idea.
Got him.
Alright. Queen, of course.
I gotta get some more pictures of
Come on, Queen gotta go.
Cause I'm on the phone. Oh yeah, that's right. Here, well, here I'll take them. Whoever want me to take them.
Yeah, come on, we need to go, y'all.
Okay, Asia says she loves you. You look pretty, and okay, Asia, I'm gonna FaceTime you back. I'm trying to finish these pictures.
Hey, Asia. right, come on, y'all, because I don't want her to